In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a transcript from Loom. This process is straightforward and useful, as it allows you to keep a record of the spoken content in your videos. Having a transcript can help with accessibility and makes it easier to reference what was said later. Let's dive in. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Loom. You can use any search engine you like, such as Google or Bing. On the screen, you will see various search results related to Loom. This action is important because it sets the foundation for accessing your videos and transcripts. Make sure you type Loom correctly to avoid confusion with other services. Once you see the results, you are one step closer to getting your transcript. Next, click on the correct link that takes you to the Loom website. This will typically be the first result in your search, leading you directly to their official homepage. Clicking the right link is crucial, as it ensures that you are accessing the legitimate site and not a lookalike. Once you click on this link, you will be directed to the Loom homepage where you can log into your account. Now log into your Loom account using your credentials. You will see fields for your email and password on the login page. Enter your information carefully. If you have forgotten your password, there is usually an option to reset it. Logging in grants you access to your video library, which is essential for downloading transcripts. After entering your details, click the Login button, and you should be taken to your Loom dashboard shortly. After that, open your Loom library. This is where all your recorded videos are stored. On the dashboard, look for the Library tab, usually located in the menu. Clicking this tab allows you to see all the videos you have created. This step is vital because it takes you to the specific content from which you want the transcript. You will notice the videos displayed with thumbnails and titles, making it easy to locate the one you need. Next up, click on the video for which you want to download the transcript. You can identify the correct video by its title or thumbnail image. Clicking on the video will open it in a new player window. This action is important, as it allows you to access the settings and features specific to that video. Once the video is playing, you will see a range of options appear, which will help you navigate to the transcript download feature. With the video open, click on the settings icon, which resembles a gear located on the right side panel. This icon provides access to various options related to the video, including the transcript. Clicking on this icon opens a menu with additional settings. This step ensures that you are adjusting the correct parameters for your video transcript download. Then click the three dots menu, which you will find located above or next to the video player. This menu typically houses more advanced options and features. By accessing this menu, you will be able to find the option for downloading the transcript. It is crucial to explore these menus, as they can hold many useful features that enhance your experience with Loom. After accessing the three dots menu, look for the option to download the transcript. Click on it, and the system will save the text timeline to your device as an SRT file. This format is widely used for subtitles and transcripts, making it easy to read and use later. Once you click this option, you will see a confirmation that the file is being downloaded. Finally, check your downloads folder to locate the SRT file. You can now open it with a text editor or any compatible software. This file will contain the transcript of your video, ready for you to reference or use as needed. Remember, having a transcript is a valuable asset for accessibility and content management.